Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set an alarm on this device. So to set the alarm, first of all, open the clock application. Okay. So at the bottom, you can see some tabs, and from the tabs, you have to select the tab alarm. And to create a new alarm, tap on the plus icon. So here we need to set the time. So here I am going to set the time for 8 a.m. and you can select the days also. This is for, I'm going to set this for only the next day. So if you want to set the every day, then you have to select the whole day like this one. And here you can set the alarm name. And if you want to change the alarm sound, here you can change. If you want to enable the vibration when the alarm rings, then you need to turn on this one. And this is for the snooze. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, and custom. You can also custom this snooze timing. And you can adjust the repeat of the snooze 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, forever. According to your choice, you can select. And this is for the background. If you want to change the background, then you can change it. Tap on the option background, then you can change the alarm background also. Okay. And after set all these settings, tap on the save button. Now you can see here I created one alarm for 8 a.m. on every day. So simply in this way we can create the alarm on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.